You slept over.
Yes, I did, and then 1 cup.
Okay. Lebitso la hae ke mang? Exe, this is Lily Shaunolo from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. I'm with my bro here today in the studio. We are about to call his partner and recheck or loyal or not. I believe or mutho loyal. Mfethu current.
Yeah, ke mnata na.
Sharp. Lebitso ke mang?
Ke Kamahelo.
Kamahelo. So Kamahelo ke mo tjola le yena and le na kwe ka le tjola.
Ke tjola Limpo.
Okay.
Ke na ke nkile 5 years.
Na le 5 years o tjola le yena.
Tjola le.
Okay, la mafelelo o mmone ne.
Ke peno mbona maobane.
Okay. Your relationship ya lena tsamaya jwa, is it good?
Yeah, it's handle.
Are you happy? Why was he happy?
Eish, ke o na le jive ke mkhotsa le ntwe one. Eish.
Wa jive. So wa tsamaya wa grooving ayo jive le batho. And then o robala go grooving or wa khotla?
A khotla.
A motse re robetse ka gore
o jetse o robetse ko mkhotswa ye ke ra re mbotsitse mkhotswa o ga batle re mfonela ke ntsheng porang tsheng
so wa ga ro control motho wa
ai ana a tseba mo relationship ye
so that's why o tlile mo cause o batlo test relationship ya okay lena le ngwana
magna ngwana
kopa fa ke number phone tsa ga re mo fonela guys batho ba group ba sa khohle go ntlong hey ara ke phone Hello. How are you?
Hello. I'm good, and you?
Good. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show where I test relationships. Here, we want to ask you a few questions about to check out loyal go motho wa hao. Let's be honest. Life is getting expensive. Between fuel, food and transportation, production cost and planning bigger projects, you start realizing that one income stream is not always enough. So lately, I've been paying attention on how I spend my money. Also researching different ways people make additional income online. That is how I came across Stokity, a trading platform where you can learn, practice, and understand how trading works before you are using your real money. What I like is that beginners can start with demo account. So you're not just jumping in blindly. You can test strategies, watch the market, and learn at your own pace. So guys, I'm on my demo account right now. I'm gonna switch to my real account. Okay, so the trend right now is down, so I'm gonna sell. Yes, so you saw how I did it. Because of practice, this is possible. You can also try it and win. For me, it's not about getting rich overnight. It's about being more intentional, learning a skill and exploring other additional income streams. So if you've been thinking about how to manage your expenses better and learning something new, check out Stokity. Check the link in my description and pinned comment. And use my promo code Lee when you sign up for your bonus.
Okay.
Yeah. Motho wa light skin or dark skin?
He's light skin.
Okay, Lena, how long le ratana? How long have you been together?
Yo, a year.
Okay. Lama fellow on morning.
I saw him today early in the morning.
So you slept over.
Yes, I did, and then 1 cup.
Okay. Lebitso la hae ke mang? Oh, ke na le yena se Sibusiso.
Imang.
King on the side.
No, yeah, but yeah. I do have.
So I admit or wajola.
No, not as such. Like, being a saying the serious.
Eish.
The 5 years into serious and violent.
Hello.
Hello, Sam.
How?
Kopo haska head office. Welena.
How?
Or stand sam.
How sothi sithando sami?
Singachaza yazi singachaza lento eyenzakala la why uyenza abantu basifonele why ungenza
Inkinga ngihlezi ngikhuzela into eyi-1 ngihlezi ngishuthi vele uzivezile vele kushuthi ukuthi uyajola.
No, angijoli why wena uzofonela abantu ukuthi bangifonele mina why wena
Shuthi into engikhuzela njalo shuthi wena mawuhamba mawuyophuza shuthi vele ulala kulomfana lomshini.
No, that was my friend. So every time like man yophuza vele I do ama sleepovers. Uthi ngamane like ngihamba ebusuku yabo because akukho safe.
Mawuthi akumngani wakho shuthi uya kulomfana lo musa.
No, isithando sami yabona ke manje labantu laba bazosixabanisa.
Hayi, mina sengiright hayi.
Okay.
It's enough.
My sister.
It's enough. Ayisekho into ngisazokhuluma nawe.
Ask if they're using protection.
How mara
Like why is it protection?
Why sebenzisa production?
Why are you guys doing
Not
this?
protection.
Protection yayisebenzisa.
No, guy. Yeah, I do. Obviously, I'm a girl.
Hayi.
So uyavuma ukuthi niyalala nomfana.
No, I like it. Obviously, I use a protection like mangumuntu, but then angilani nalomfana lona. I haven't done anything.
Wait, nisebenzise protection nge 5 years nini?
Asisebenzisi.
Why athi niyasebenzisa?
Hayibo. Yabo ukuthi ukhuluma namanga.
No, I usually like when I was ungibuza because like your question like I will be specific ukuthi like ngiyisebenzisa kuphi makwenze njani. So that's why nami ngiphendula ngale ndlela ngiphendula ngayo. You have to be specific.
Hayi, nayiko ngithi ayisekho.
So uyavuma ukuthi wena uyayisebenzisa protection nalo.
Because manje ngicabanisa nomuntu wamanje.
Mara so uyayisebenzisa protection mus.
Ngiyakho ukumluza because of mina.
Mara umtshela ukuthi ayisebenzisa production.
Usuvumile ukuthi uyayisebenzisa. Manje
Ngiyisebenzisa naye with him, not the other guy because angakayenzi.
But umthitha uthi aniyisebenzise. My sister, khuluma iqiniso please.
Ngiyakhuluma iqiniso like
Okay, since wena uthi you were with him today in the morning.
yes.
Ask banza marondo angaki.
Nenza amaround ayingakhi ke shuthi izona. Shuthi mangiqeda ukukhapha nenza amaround ayingakhi.
Asenzanga next sithando sami uyazi ukuthi mangabe
Ucabanga ukuthi ubalele nje.
Shuthi nivele nalala nje menilala nje kuphela.
yeah, futhi he even slept on the couch.
Yo, I
believe.
Mina yiko ke sekeli enough. Hayi second into engizoyikhuluma naye.
Ngicela ungixolele sithando sami.
Hayi,
Ngifuna awuthanda ukuthi ngikokotele.
Shuthi into engihlezi kukhuzela yona hayi ayiseke into engisazoyikhuluma mina.
Awu mara.
It's enough. It's enough.
Ukuthi nje ukwazi ukuthi ubizele abantu ukuthi mina bazongifonela. Shukuthi wena ukaze vele nje wangithanda because if ngongithanda ngabe ukhuluma nami kahle ungibuza ukuthi babe uyashitha na.
Mangihlezi sikhuluma into eyi-1 babe ukuthi ngiyakuthanda yekela into oyenzayo nginika isikhathi sami bese wena uyahamba uyophuza yabo into ezinjalo bese awubuya endlini.
Uqolisa for yini? For ukuthi uyachitha.
No, okay, ngicela ukuba honest me I was about to.
Ulele kulomfana last night. So ungaqamba manga.
Yes. I didn't do anything, baby, please.
Hayi yiko ngithi mina enough.
My sister, you are a liar.
No, I'm not a liar. Wena wes, why did you call me uzoqabalisa nomuntu wami first of all?
So this guy was right ukuthi uyamchithela. My brother, what is the way forward?
Mina sengibonile lingincedile sengibonile kungithi mina sengiright is enough.
Sorry, these things happen. Uzothola umuntu ozokuthanda. Uzomblocker for what reason?
Ngizomblock ukuthi like I just can't lose you over this. No, I can't. Like I really can't do that.
Come block him. Come drop.
Ay, drop. Nasekili enough. Ayen success.
Pamuka mutauru enough. Okay. I can talk to your man to forgive you. How many rounds did you do last night?
I didn't do.
Call me Toniso. Call me Toniso.
Uzongizwa ke na makafika endlini namhlanje.
Okay, uzokuzwa kanjani?
Uzongizwa kahle ngisho ngumuntu wakho yangazi.
Ay, mina sengiright. Angeke kuvuleni ukukuvulela noma ungeza sengiright is enough.
Hawu mara sithando sami ngiyacela singaxabaniswa abantu.
Ay, is enough. Ngcono ngithola omunye nje ozongifanela ngoba nje lokhu ngikhuzana nawo is enough. Okungahambe nje ngiyethenga once.
Like mina ngizabela umuntu wakho.
Ay, sengiright is enough. Ay, is enough. Drop it too.
Bye sister ne. Ube right. We wish you all the best kumjolo wakho we groove tango. My brother, sorry ne, these things happen ne. These things happen. Uzoba right ne.
Ngcono mina sengiright.
Sokutholela i-counseling.
Sengibonile nje ngoba ngilomkhiphana nemali yami nje for into engekho.
Sokutholela i-counseling.
Yeah, ngangitholela. Okay, right.
Yo.
Is enough yo. Hliziyo yami ibhlungu. Ngiyenzela umfazi nje. Ngilokhu ngimenzela yonke into kanti uyahamba uyabafanele. Is enough.
This is Lily Hlonolo from CMTV. This is the end of the episode. My heart is also broken, guys. But listen to Zenzagala. There's nothing I can do. Omjita zomtholele counseling. Uzoba right. Uzothola umunye umuntu omusha uzomthanda. Yeah. So see you guys on the next one. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now. Wena ungihlanyisa, wena don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina?
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?